Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you play Pokemon and want to learn how to transform into a Pokemon yourself in Pokemon Scarlet, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transform into a Pokemon in Pokemon Scarlet using the Synchro Machine. These features let you experience the world of Paldia from your Pokemon's perspective. In Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, players can experience a unique feature introduced into Indigo Disc DLC, the Synchro Machine. This device allows your trainer to synchronize with a Pokemon, effectively letting you control the Pokemon directly in the overworld. These immersive mechanics offer you a fresh perspective on exploration and interaction within the game. Step 1. First, ensure you have access to the Indigo Disc DLC. This downloadable content expands your adventures and introduces new features, including the Synchro Machine. Step 2. Once you've installed the DLC, go to Terrarium's Central Plaza. On the highest floor, near the battle arena and next to a hailing station, you will find a human who will introduce you to the Synchro Machine. Completing her tutorial will unlock the device for your use. Step 3. With the Synchro Machine unlocked, you can now synchronize with your Pokemon. To do this, ensure the Pokemon you wish to control is in your party. Then, hold the L button and press R. Your trainer will release the Pokemon's ball, and you will take control of the Pokemon in the overworld. Remember, the Pokemon should not walk around for this to work. Now that you're controlling your Pokemon, you can explore the world, interact with the objects, and experience the game from a whole new perspective. These features adds a fun and immersive layer to your adventure in Paldia. Just keep in mind that not all Pokemon can be synced, and the feature is only available after progressing through a party of the Indigo Disc DLC store. And that's how you transform into a Pokemon in a Pokemon Scarlet using the Synchro Machine. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe in the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your journey with your Pokemon.